The nerds, I just created a chatbot inside of ChatGPT for how to use ChatGPT for data analytics. Kind of meta. Let me show you how I made it and also what it does. So for this chatbot that I built, I'm gonna close this sidebar real quick. And I have a couple of options down at the bottom of what you can prompt ChatGPT for. So let's see, how do you use ChatGPT for data analysis? I can prompt it and ask it. Now this is pretty neat because ChatGPT tells me all these different things that I can do from defining problem, data collection, EDA, statistical analysis modeling. And a lot of the suggestions here are from what I provided ChatGPT to build this chatbot. Specifically, this spot was built on this course that I've built on ChatGPT for data analytics. It'll be coming out in the next few weeks. Stay tuned for that. Anyway, I have over here on the left-hand side a bunch of videos from it. Specifically, I have about 5 hours of content that I've fed to ChatGPT to make this chatbot. Specifically, I made this one on web scraping. And so I asked it, how do I perform web scraping with ChatGPT? And it goes through a lot of the topics that I went through in the course. Yes, you can find the internet. But the interesting thing is, when you get to the example use case, it actually works through a problem that I'm talking about. So I asked it to go further into it about how to actually scrape websites, and it provides all the different Python code to go into it. So pretty interesting. Now building a chatbot takes probably about 10 minutes to do, and it's pretty easy. Let's try to do it. So I go into this Explore menu right here, and from here you have up at the top, create a GPT. So you just select it. And to make it, you're using a chat-like interface. So it asks me, what would you like to make? And I say, build a chatbot based on a course I have on using ChatGPT for data analytics. I'll be providing you transcripts of the course. And we're gonna be providing transcripts to this, so that way whenever it provides answers to somebody using this, it's not just generic responses, it's actually material from the course. And that's just my use case. Think about all the other things you could do in regards to data to building a chatbot. So the next step is actually naming the chatbot. And it says, hey, let's name it Data Analytics Guide. Yeah, I'm fine with that, so I'll just say yeah. From there, it generates a profile picture, which, not too bad. And then it says, hey, let's continue refining content. Could you please share the specific topics or areas in data analytics that your course covers? And I got one better. I have all the transcripts from the course right now. Like I said, it's about 4 hours of content. So a plethora of knowledge. All I do is take these transcripts and then plug them in right here into ChatGPT, click enter. And finally, it's done. It says the Data Analytics Guide GPT is now tailored to assist users in mastering data analytics using ChatGPT. They have this previews function to the right-hand side too, so I can go ahead and test it out. They have some example prompts right here. And this one right here is how do I set up ChatGPT for data analysis? Let's see how it does. So it provided me a lot of key things that I went over in this course, specifically around custom instructions, and how to actually start using it and what to actually start using it for data analysis. So it's pretty neat that it actually was able to generate from my transcripts an actual output that matches what I was teaching on. Anyway, I think that this chatbot is going to be a crazy addition to my course because it's going to be able to be a resource that learners can go to and potentially either quiz themselves or maybe learn more diving into the material. So just think about the different use cases you could use at work for implementing a solution like this. And yes, you can use ChatGPT at work. You just have to make sure that you're using the Enterprise Edition, which has protocols in place to protect your data. Anyway, enough of that. Go check out this chatbot to quiz more about how you can use ChatGPT for data analytics. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.